Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we are starting an exciting new series on data structure and algorithm, or DSA for short. Whether you are preparing for coding interviews or looking to enhance your problem solving skills, this series is designed to give you a solid foundation in DSA. So let's dive right in. So firstly, what is DSA? Data structure and algorithm are the fundamental concept in computer science, but what exactly are they? Let's break it down. So data structure are the ways to organize and store data so that they can be accessed and modified efficiently. Algorithms, on the other hand, are the step-by-step instruction or procedure for solving a problem or performing a task. In essence, DSA is all about finding the best way to structure data and solve problem in the most efficient way possible. And if I will show you this link, you can see an example here, that is of finding your grandmother from a mother side. For that, if we will organize all the data in a tree manner, we can easily find it by going left and left two times, and from the father side we can go to a right and then left, and we can easily make algorithm of this without any difficulty. Data structure is about how data can be stored in different structures, and algorithms is how to solve different problems, often by searching through them and manipulating data structure. Theory about data structure and algorithm help us to use large amount of data to solve problem efficiently, and this is one of the example, and you can learn more from this article, and I will summarize all the things in this introduction video. And this is why is DSA important, and now why is DSA so important. Well, DSA is the key to unlocking your problem solving potential. Let's see why. First, DSA is crucial for problem solving whenever it's optimizing code, handling large data sets, or developing algorithm for complex tasks. Understanding DSA is essential, and these are the bullet point problem solving interviews, and you know about interviews already, and the real world applications, we'll see it later. And why uh, and I want to add that second, DSA plays a significant role in technical interviews. For the interview part, companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon heavily focus on DSA during their interview process. And finally, DSA has a real world application, from a search engine to social network. Data structure and algorithms are used to solve everyday challenge efficiently. What you should already know. Before we get started, let's talk about what you should already know. And you have to have basic understanding of programming in one of the following languages, that are Python, the most popular, C, the most basic, C++, Java, and JavaScript. I would love to do this in JavaScript, but companies required you to not use the built-in functions, so we are going directly with C++, or we will use some C codes, and we will also see other languages codes in the course a little bit. Or if I will not code it in another language, then I will provide the codes in the article that will be linked to the description, and the important links are here, you can check it out. And even through DSA, concepts are universal and not tied to any specific programming language. Having a basic understanding of programming in one of these languages will help you to follow along more easily. And let's see the real world example, that is search engine. And let's take a real world example to understand the importance of DSA. Consider search engine like Google. When you search for something, that then The engine quickly sifts through billions of web pages to find the most relevant result for you. This incredible speed and efficiency are made possible by sophisticated algorithms and well structured data. A search bar with search results, you can see here in the image, uh, it's showing the suggested things that also uses data structure and algorithm. This is a slide just for showing you the example of a good code and a bad code, where we have to write a program for prime numbers and we have a function that will gets the number of factors a number has. So the first way for doing that is to checking uh, factors for every number, uh, and which is greater than 2, the number of factors, then that is a prime, which is less than 2, uh, forget that, just if it's less than 2 then it's a prime number. This is one way of doing that, that we will check factors for every number. And the second way could be that we check, we create a special case for 2, then we will check only odd numbers and skip every even number or one number after an odd number. So this could be a very efficient way and a good way for handling this problem statement, that is checking for a prime number, that will use, that will consume less time and less memory of our resources. Let's talk about the data structures. And in computer science there are two main type of data structures. First is primitive and second is abstract. Primitive data structure are the basic structure provided by programming languages like integers, floats, characters and booleans. You will learn it later. Integers, you know about integers, that is just a numbers, and floating point numbers you also know about it, and characters are this unicode characters, and booleans are just true false, and they are provided by the programming languages itself. And abstract data structure are more complex and built using primitive data types. They are specialized, they provide specialized operations and include structure like array, linked list, stack, queue, trees and graphs. So these are nothing else but they are built over this primitive data structure. Just like linked list have two sections, first for address, second for the data, and they are connected with the address values of each memory locations. And but we will see this later, don't be confused. And just you have to keep in mind that abstract data structure is little bit complex and built over the primitive data structures, and we will see it later. And what will be covered in the series, now let's take a look and what we will cover in the series. We will start the basic concept, then move on to core data structures like array and linked list. We will also explore algorithm techniques such as sorting, searching and dynamic programming. Finally, we will dive into advanced topics and practice sessions to solidify your understanding. And these are the bullet point basic concept, core data structure, algorithm techniques, advanced topics and then practice sessions. At the end of the series you will be well equipped to tackle a wide range of coding challenges and excel in technical interviews. As you have seen here, here are some of the additional resources to supplement your learning, and this is the link from W3 Schools, my favorite, and Geeks for Geeks. These links provide more detailed explanation and examples, so be sure to check them out. And in the next video we will be setting up your development environment, so we are ready to start coding along with me. And for reference I would say I will use VS Code if anyone knows. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. If you have any question or topic you would like to see covered, drop them in comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Let's make coding easy and fun together. Happy coding.